Good morning, Facebook. Today we're taking a drive in a 2017 Phaeton. This one's on a Freightliner chassis. What we're going to be talking about is braking with a motorhome this size. So starting in the parking lot, your Jake brake is typically off. The way that the Jake brake works, it takes exhaust and compresses it and slows the motor down and makes the motorhome stop with power of the engine. So instead of just using all foot brake, the engine assists you in braking, slowing down all the weight. Most people that use it, you'll keep it engaged when you're going through like mountainous areas or highways for unexpected quick braking. It can definitely help if you're towing a trailer, you got some extra weight behind you. You can engage it. And it's as simple as flipping a switch. On this particular model, it's off to my left here. So again, we'll kind of show the difference in braking. I don't know if you'll be able to see it too well in video, but some different scenarios. Driving through the city, if you're going stoplight to stoplight, maybe not the best place to be using it because it's going to be a little bit aggressive. Some models will have two modes, so you can have exhaust brake high, low. This one's only got one setting, either on or off. So if you have it in low position on your particular coach, you can keep it in low for your city driving or town driving if you want the extra braking added. On this particular one, again, I probably won't have it on for slower driving, but I will turn it on for more of our highway stuff or highway speed. So another time you can activate it is if you're in a situation where traffic's slowing down way faster than expected. Knowing where the switch is for it is good to know. You can flick that on, and that again adds the extra braking you might need. So we're doing about 50 now. Just letting off the gas completely engages the brake, and you can kind of feel the motorhome slowing itself down, not touching the brakes at all, and it's dropping speed pretty quick. You can feel the difference, right?
Mm-hmm. Feels really smooth.
So turning it off, we'll get back up to speed. Forward about the same. Foot off the brake. You can just feel the motorhome's just continually coasting. Nothing slowing it down. Turn the brake on. You can feel it starting to brake itself, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's really the difference between having the Jake brake on and not having it on. The motor will really work to slow it down. This is going to help you conserve your brake life. It'll extend the life of the pads, the rotors. And it's definitely safer using it to come to a stop. So, do we have any questions from our followers this morning?
Nope, not right now.
No questions? No. It's labeled exhaust brake, Jake brake. Those are the two terms you'll hear it referred to as. So, if you have any questions, give us a shout. Let us know. We'll see you guys next time.